Assalamu alaikum. 8 a.m. This is Bangladesh Betar, broadcasting on the morning of Wednesday, 23rd of Ashin, the 15th of Rabiul Sani, and October the 8th. The news read by Taslima Omar. First, the headlines. Turkish Deputy Foreign Minister meets with Chief Advisor. Calls for further strengthening of Bangladesh-Turkey cooperation. Deputy Minister for Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Beris Ekici, has conveyed the greetings and best wishes of President Recep Tayyip Erdogan and his invitation to Chief Advisor Professor Muhammad Yunus to visit Turkey at a mutually convenient time. The Deputy Minister conveyed the messages to the Chief Advisor as she paid a courtesy call on him at the State Guest House Jamuna in the capital.